Welcome to the NuWave Precision Induction Cooktop, the PIC Gold. The PIC Gold is creating a revolution in kitchens and homes all around the world. With the precision temperature control of induction cooking, the PIC Gold takes the guesswork out of cooking. The secret behind the PIC Gold is the magnetic pan-seeking technology that heats your cookware only, which means no heat wastage, saving over 70% in power usage. Induction cooking also delivers superior cooking speeds. You'll save on cooking time in the kitchen and on your power bills. And what's more, the PIC Gold's precision temperature control delivers exact results, so you won't burn your food or your oils. And with the NuWave grill on top, you're ready to sizzle. The unbelievably low 40-degree setting is ideal for melting delicate chocolate. You'll be serving delicious desserts like a pro. The PIC Gold and the smaller Flex is designed for traveling. And with an exciting new wattage selector, small generators can now power the PIC with ease. In the home, challenging foods that produce strong odors can now be taken outside, keeping your home odor-free. And its compact design means it's easy to store. The PIC Gold is available now in this special offer for just $329. Order right now and you'll receive a bonus induction cooktop, the powerful PIC Flex, absolutely free. If you're not sure you've got the right cookware, our converter plate allows you to use any cookware. And just when you thought it couldn't get any better, we're going to give you our famous 20cm NuWave pan absolutely free. Call now or go online and get this incredible offer, available right now.